Good morning to all the dignitaries present over here, and this is myself NIKITHAA from third year IT, and these are my teammates PAVITHRA, MOHAMED HAFIS, MOHAMED, and this is my mentor Mrs. G. Kavipriya, Assistant Professor IT, and our title is IOT Enabled Pipeline Leakage Detection and Monitoring System using Machine Learning Algorithm. Here we have designed an monitoring system using pH sensor, flow sensor, Arduino Uno microcontroller, and a LCD display. If the pressure increases, a beep sound is being indicated. If the pressure increases, an indication is shown. There is a separate team which keeps on analyzing data on a daily basis, which involves manual power, and the leakage is detected once the pipeline is damaged. But the proposed idea is that before the leakage will be predicted before damage, and there is no manual power involved. All the work is done by the sensors. The methodology is that in this deep learning concept is mainly concentrated. The data is collected using accelerometers and detect the early leakage. In this, there are 4 layers starting from physical to application. Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon to all the dignitaries present over here and all my dear chums. Thank you for having me, myself NIKITHAA from 3rd IT. Here we came up with an idea for the leakage of oil pipelines. To start with, let me briefly explain about this concept. Transportation of oil is safest through pipeline networks. Converse, there are many failures in this. That may be environmental failures or other factors. This scenario is addressed through IoT-based solutions to predict failures and monitor the system. IoT combines with sensor technologies to monitor temperature, pressure of the substance inside the pipeline. We use deep learning algorithms such as deep auto-encoded neural network, which is used to classify the leaking and non-leaking of pipelines, and BAT optimization algorithm is used to detect the accuracy of leakage, that is at which monitoring area the leakage occurred. The existing system is that there is separate team which keeps on analyzing data on a daily basis, which involves manual power, and the leakage is detected once the pipeline is damaged. But the idea proposed is that the leakage will be predicted before damage and there is no manual power involved. All the work is done by the sensors. The methodology is that in this deep learning concept is mainly concentrated. The data is collected using accelerometers and detects the early leakage. In this, there are 4 layers starting from the physical layer and the application layer. The physical layer consists of the sensors, and the network layer consists of the networks such as Wi-Fi, and the data processing layer is in which the data are collected from sensors and stored in cloud. And the application layer is the notification of signals and etc. Budget. The budget of this project is about 71,240, and for the cost of sensors is about 25,000, and the IoT infrastructure setup will be of 36,340. And the expected outcome is at the initial step of the stimulation environment of the proposed model, the parameters such as distance between 2 sensors and the procedure are followed. And the conclusion, at a point of conclusion, is efficient monitoring and timely identification and detection of malfunction reduce the environmental and economic consequences. The challenge is that accuracy and timely collection of data from sensors. Thank you for sparing your time. Thank you one and all over here.